Okay, we've done this assignment already, Excel function for grades, and what you did was you did the statistics for both the grades of males and females in a class, and you did all of these statistics here. And so when we look at the spreadsheet, it looked like this. And here's where the average, the median for the females in one column, the males in another column. We also rounded these. So what we're going to do is we want to know the statistics for the entire class, not just for the females and the males. We want it for the entire class. So what we're going to do is go ahead and come down to this tab here where it says Sheet 1, and we're going to put males and females. So we've renamed press return, and so we know this is males and females. We see the little plus here. We're going to insert a sheet. We're going to double click it and we're going to put total for class. So now we have, and press return. So now we have the total for the entire class. We have the totals for the males and females. So what we're going to do right now is do a lot of copy and pasting. So we're going to click on this particular grade here and pull it, oops, I don't pull that down. Click there, hold your mouse and highlight the entire column. And we're going to copy and paste it into total class up to the 90. Command C, or go up here and copy like that. Click over here, let's put it in column D. We'll put it in D1 and paste. And so those are all the grades for the females in red. We want to start below this, the 90, which was the last value here, and we're going to put all the male grades in there. Let's come back over to here. Highlight the 75, hold your mouse down, hold it all the way down, highlight the entire column, and copy. Come to total for the class, this cell, and paste. So now as you can see, it goes from D1 to D139. That means there's 39 pieces of data, which is pretty good. So now we want to know all the functions or the statistics for this entire class as one group instead of two different groups. So let's go back over to this tab here, and we are going to highlight this table. And again, we're going to copy the table, go to total for class, and it starts at D1 and goes to D139. Okay, so let's put it somewhere in the middle here, right around here. I'm going to start probably in F76, and we're going to paste somewhere in the middle. And you can see here, we need to make our columns a little wider. So let's make these a little wider like that so we can see them. Like this. Okay. Now we've got two columns here, males and females. We don't need both columns. So we're going to highlight the males. And we'll get rid of this. We're going to go up to Edit, Clear, All. We do not need that column any longer. Now we're going to go to females and we're going to retitle that to Total Class. Press Return. So now we have it for the entire class. As you can see here, our numbers are off now. If I go down to each one of these, our statistic definition is in each one, and they're there, but all the numbers are off. So now what we need to do is fix that. We need to paste in the parentheses the range. So I'm going to go right to here. So I can do it a couple different ways. I can go to D1 and highlight it all the way down to D139. Got it there, and press return. And the average is 83. Now, what I want is D1 to D139 for each one of these. So I'm going to click in this one, and again, we're going to go here. Let's eliminate this and just put D1 colon D139 and press return. It's going to give me 84. Again, D1 colon D139. It's going to give me 83 for the mode. So that's what I'd like for you to finish doing for the remainder part of this assignment. If you have any questions, please feel free